Today we're taking a close look at the BMW iX3, a fully electric SUV that blends BMW's signature driving dynamics with modern electric vehicle technology and a refined design approach. This is a vehicle that appeals both to longtime BMW enthusiasts and to drivers who are making the transition into electric mobility for the first time. And it balances performance, comfort, and everyday usability in a way that aims to feel familiar yet forward-looking. From the moment you approach the iX3, it's clear that BMW has given it a distinct identity while keeping it recognizable as part of the X Series lineup. The proportions are compact yet athletic, with a silhouette that feels purposeful and well-balanced. BMW's characteristic kidney grilles remain, though here they are closed, off-electric grilles designed to improve aerodynamic efficiency, and they are flanked by sharp adaptive LED headlights that give the front end a confident, modern expression. The body lines flow cleanly from front to rear with subtle sculpting that reduces drag and contributes to a smooth, efficient ride. At the back, redesigned taillights and a subtle roof spoiler complete a look that manages to be both elegant and assertive without drawing excessive attention. Sliding into the cabin, you immediately sense the care that's gone into creating a premium, tech-savvy environment. Materials are high quality across the board, with soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and thoughtfully placed accents that elevate the overall feel. The seating is supportive and comfortable for long drives, and both front and rear passengers benefit from generous headroom and legroom, making the iX3 suitable for families as well as couples and solo commuters. The centerpiece of the interior is BMW's latest iDrive infotainment system, displayed on a large curved screen that seamlessly combines the digital instrument cluster with the central touchscreen. The interface is intuitive, responsive, and rich with functionality. From navigation that can plan routes around charging needs to smartphone integration via wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system also integrates BMW's suite of connected drive services, offering real-time traffic data, remote vehicle controls via an app, and voice-activated controls that let you keep your focus on the road. One of the strengths of the iX3 is how it communicates information to the driver. The digital display in front of you can be customized to show key metrics such as battery charge level, estimated range, navigation cues, and energy flow. Instead of overwhelming you with technical data, the iX3 presents this information in a clear, digestible format, perfect for both EV veterans and newcomers alike. Under the skin, the BMW iX3 is powered by an electric drive system that sends smooth, instantaneous torque to the rear wheels. This rear wheel drive setup gives the iX3 a dynamic feel on the road, with confident acceleration and a balanced sense of control that aligns with BMW's reputation for driving engagement. Power delivery is linear and responsive, so merging onto highways and overtaking slower traffic feels effortless. While it's not configured for extreme performance like some of BMW's M-branded EVs, the iX3 delivers more than enough punch for everyday driving and spirited highway runs. The suspension is tuned to provide a comfortable yet controlled ride. It absorbs bumps and imperfections with poise, delivering a composed ride quality that makes long journeys less fatiguing. Steering is precise with good feedback and a natural feel that helps inspire confidence, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on open highways. The electric powertrain's low center of gravity, thanks to the underfloor battery pack, also contributes to stable, well-balanced handling that feels inherently planted. Range and charging are critical for any electric vehicle, and the iX3 approaches both in a way that's practical for real-world use. While exact range figures can vary based on conditions and driving style, the iX3 provides competitive range suitable for daily commuting and longer trips, especially when coupled with an efficient driving mode strategy. The vehicle supports fast charging capability, allowing drivers to regain a substantial amount of range in relatively short stops at compatible DC fast charging stations. For home charging, Level 2 setups provide a convenient overnight solution, beyond performance and range, safety, and driver assistance technology are comprehensive. BMW's suite of advanced driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, lane, keeping assist, blind, spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and more. These systems are calibrated to feel supportive rather than intrusive, helping reduce stress in heavy traffic or during long highway stretches. Practicality is another strong suit for the iX3. The cargo area behind the rear seats is spacious and versatile, with a wide opening and low liftover height that makes loading groceries, luggage, or sports equipment straightforward. Rear seats fold down in a split configuration to expand cargo capacity when needed. and clever storage solutions throughout the cabin help keep items organized and accessible. Unique selling points of the BMW iX3 include its blend of dynamic handling and everyday comfort, its refined and intuitive interior technology, and its practical approach to electric driving without leaning too heavily into performance-oriented extremes. It's a vehicle designed to feel familiar to those who appreciate traditional BMW qualities, yet modern enough to satisfy the expectations of EV buyers who prioritize efficiency and connected technology. In everyday use, the iX3 feels comfortable and capable. It's an EV that doesn't demand you change your lifestyle, but rather enhances it with smooth power delivery, thoughtful design, and a tech ecosystem that keeps you connected on the go. From the thoughtful ergonomics of the interior to the confident performance on varied road conditions, the BMW iX3 stands out as a compelling choice for anyone seeking a premium electric SUV that balances comfort, capability, and modern efficiency in one cohesive package.